Hello. So, chapter 6 is about sequencing units. What this is about is that the question is in what order the curriculum should indicate to teachers that the course should be taught. So, for example, in a chemistry class, do we want to teach students from atoms, atomic structure, and then into covalent bonds, and so on. So this sequencing is really important. We can do sequencing in different ways depending on what your goal is, but the key idea in sequencing is that the order in which the content and the concepts are taught, they are taught in a manner so that it makes sense to the students, so that the learner can get the most benefit. So when we sequence, a lot of times we may end up sequencing the way we learned in our schooling days, but it may not be appropriate. Therefore, sequencing is really important. The other thing about sequencing is sometimes we may sequence based on what resources are available and which activities or projects have to be done when. Therefore, when we think about sequencing, we may want to think about different aspects of or ways of doing sequencing, not just based on content, but also different kinds of projects, different kinds of assignments, field trips. All those different things are part of sequencing. So think about sequencing in that manner in your curriculum. No one way of sequencing the content is the best way. It depends on what's appropriate for your school or for your school district. Therefore, when you sequence, think about these things in terms of what's most useful for your school. Thank you.